Got enough sugar in it. Man, don't none of these tops look like they fit though. This top fit. Oh, it do. Michael, give me. You don't know what you want to get yet? Oh, we could have mixed that tea and that lemonade together. Extra sweet. All these sauces the same? No. I'm gonna take this one. They look. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one, man. Let's go over here and see what we got. Alright, y'all. One time for the country time. Alright, y'all, man. We up here. Have I ever hooked? Yeah, I done hooked up with murder before. Yeah. Somebody asked me. I don't be knowing if y'all being funny. I just don't know. Got all this equipment that I done.
You got some beans too?
Yeah, I like beans every now and then. I like beans every now and then. Let me see what this chopped beef sandwich hitting like. Gotta have that. I got you a fork. I'll sprinkle that barbecue sauce.
You gonna give them a rating?
Yeah, I'm gonna give them a rating. If they ain't never, have you ever went somewhere and the barbecue sauce was nasty? Man, it messed up a whole barbecue.
Yeah, some of the real heavy vinegar.
Yeah, I don't think I like that.
Memphis or like North Carolina barbecues got no sweetness to the sauce. It's real tangy with a lot of vinegar in it. I don't know.
See, I was gonna check this Memphis barbecue sauce out while I was in Memphis, but I had walked up to this dude's trailer over there, and I seen that they had a big old plate, like it was big, like a real. It had probably about 4 slabs in there. And I had just walked up after a long day of recording, and I said, hey, but he had opened it, peeked in it, and then he closed it. And then I had asked the other dude, I said, hey, look at y'all, got any food for sale? He was like, nah, we trying to see what we got now. I was like, man.
Just being stingy?
Mm-hmm. Probably had a lot of people feed, so. Kansas City, Missouri. Is the best, barbecue is the best. That was somebody saying.
Yeah.
That's too far for me, man. I need some more sauce.
So far, so good.
Matter of fact, I ain't getting my potato salad. So where you from, mate? No, you from Australia. I'm from Dallas, Texas, mate. I'm on a place called Gates Barbecue. I have been to KCMO and I am Australian. Okay. I went to Worlds of Fun and met Snoop. Like Snoop D-O-double-G? Or little Snoop, that big Snoop that be at the racetrack.
Snoop looks like A Diggs from Menace to Society.
Mm-hmm. Man, I suffer so good. Cheeseburger, man. Double cheeseburger.
Secret is put a barbecue sauce and beans.
Yeah. I figured out my favorite beans. My favorite beans is bush beans. But you mess with the bush beans?
Yeah.
Bush baked beans.
Mhm.
Stick you a little barbecue sauce like you said, and then a little ground beef.
The brown sugar and bacon.
Oh yeah,
the
my
best.
brother say put the brown sugar in there. That's right.
They sell it that way. It's good.
My brother said they put that brown, but last time I ain't had no brown sugar.
I put brown sugar in my sweet tea.
Oh yeah, what kind of difference that make?
Just makes it delicious.
Brown sugar and sweet tea. I think
Sweet tea is okay.
I tried it before.
It's all right, but the brown sugar is amazing.
I think I might have tried it one time. Snoop stream video game. Bush is good. I put bacon and onions. Never seen him do more than play football game on his Xbox though. So he talking about old Snoop Dogg be playing.
Like Madden.
The only thing, I got T-Pain as a friend on Twitch. He the only one I got on here, but I only watched him for about 20 minutes one time. But he was cool. It's tight to see somebody like that on Twitch, I would say. Like, damn, I go T-Pain there. I get his notification when he go live, but I ain't did nothing with it. Hey, did you see that podcast we had?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was pretty funny.
Oh, that was pretty funny.
When are you doing yours?
I'm still trying to make sure I set mine up correctly. I don't know. On that podcast, we did video and audio. They on the audio side, and I did the video side with audio too. Should I be doing it that same way, or should I just be using my video with the audio, or should I put audio headphones on? And
You can split the audio from the video track and use it like for iTunes or whatever.
yeah,
So you don't have to do the work twice or edit twice.
okay. So we do need to, when I bring people over there, you do suggest that we put the headphones on and speak into the microphone?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Well then, that's what we're gonna do.
You're essentially creating two products at the same time. So
Yeah.
if you got a recording device over here, just microphones and stuff plugged into a mixer
Interface.
and into your Mac,
Yeah.
and then you got the camera set up, with its own audio going on. You got to edit twice in order to